Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert images or PDF to Word files on iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So there are several ways to do this. I mainly use what called a cam scanner. So if you don't have the app yet, you need to go to the App Store and then have this app downloaded. This app is very popular for scanning, so it has all the functionality in this app. So what you want to do is you want to click on the app and go to the tools page, and under tools you will see something called convert to Word. Click on to Word. So you can import the file or you can scan the file directly. So if you scan images or a PDF, it will automatically scan it to you to a Word file just by clicking the scan button. But that is how you can scan or convert the images or PDF to Word file on iPhone.